would be nice.
That was like a rocket. I've been looking at the idea. Yeah.
That person with the umbrella has the right idea. What?
Here?
Oh yeah.
How many feet outside that is?
That water coming out is just incredible.
Funny how indicators
I'm recording this bad boy until my iPod reds out. What?
I got a picture of you.
I'll try and contact you after a little while. I don't know where you're going to be.
If you just say something on 4 and ask us to go to another channel, we can talk to you.
Well,
Okay.
I don't know if I could. If you go to like, probably if you go to 0, a sub channel of 0, you can probably hear
remember how
it.
to do that.
Oh, okay.
I set the thing and I forgot how to do it.
No, if you're on 4 and you go, Micah, go to 3,
Uh-huh.
then we'll just go to 3 and talk to you on 3.
Okay. All right. We'll try.